Hey, it's Jamaison, and I am here with another unboxing, or an untubing, as it were. And this one comes to us from Brooke at Smatter Studios. Brooke reached out and said, hey, I'm launching these and would love you to be some of the first people to try. And so here I am unboxing these amazing stainless steel dams from Smatter Studios, smatterstudios.com. So thank you, Brooke, for sending these. These are the medium dams, large dams, there's small, and then here's some other large. And what you can do here is, this might be the best way to see it. You can create a dam with this stainless steel in any configuration that you want. And if you have multiples, then you can do a variety of configurations in your kiln. And these are amazing for creating a cast fused piece, or there are a variety of reasons why you might want to dam something in the kiln, and many of us use kiln brick or maybe a tile that's been cut up. But these are stainless steel. They're super thick and very nice, made with 304 stainless steel. They are 1 inch deep, so you can do deeper pieces. These are at a 1/2 inch intervals. And so, for instance, this is a 19.5 inch long, and they have it longer, it just wouldn't fit in my kiln. But 19.5 inches, which allows you to make a finished piece up to 18 inches. Square, right? Like if you have 4 of these like I do, then you could make an 18-inch square piece. Imagine what you can do with these. And if you want to do multiples in the same firing, you can do that as well. Sorry, I'm shaking my camera here. You can do that as well. So super excited, and I thanked Brooke for reaching out and offering these to me. And then I said, well, is there anything, if I send people to smatterstudios.com, do you want to offer a discount? And she said, sure. So if you use the promo code Jamaison, just my name, and put that in your shopping cart, you'll get 10% off. So that's super cool. So Smatter Studios, and you can see the link here, and go check them out. Now, I haven't used these yet, clearly. I am just getting back on my feet after surgery, and so it may be a little bit before I use these, but you'll see them, I'm sure, in a future video, because I think it's a great idea. I'm super excited to try these out. I can tell you they seem extremely sturdy, and so, maybe you like to do cast pieces that are squares or rectangles, and you have bought, nice stainless steel molds before, but you're limited to that size. That's it. This gives you a ton of flexibility, and I'm super excited. So thought you might enjoy this unboxing, or untubing as it may be. And if you're interested, again, smatterstudios.com, and use the code Jamaison for 10% off. Thank you very much, Brooke. Appreciate this. Stay tuned to the channel, and you'll see me using these in short order. Thanks.